This thing, it'll run. Everybody remember too. Yeah, that's the one. I don't know what he got, y'all. But he got something in here. Ooh-wee. 3.0 turbo. He got them turbos working. He finna win this one. Go to the fence for a drink. I'm gonna see if my boys over there got their drink. Nah, that white car finna win. White car finna win. I'm there with that white car. Infinity for the win, y'all. I got my money on the Infinity. Infinity. I wish I could bet all the people. Okay, big. Headed over here. Get this drink. Where my boys at with that Bucana? Oh, there it go. Bucana town. God damn.
You gotta finish that one.
Finish this bit. Oh, this for me?
You want a shot of this too? Look.
Hell no, I don't want none of that.
You gotta smash the rest of that.
Smash all that shit.
Take a shot of this shit too.
Nah, that shit, you can't mix that shit. My partner them said you gonna be sick, man. I was just talking about how hungry I was.
Come on, bro. I'll take a shot with you of the crown though.
We saved that for you.
But I don't fuck with Bucana.
God damn. I could do this, but shit, all that mixing shit y'all talking about. I could do this, but that mixing, can't do no mix. That mix, that's too much. What y'all trying to do? Accomplish? I just like the little feeling a little bit. Y'all trying to die. I don't want to die yet. Just got my YouTube channel going.
Come on, look at you gotta take that shot.
Man, y'all ready right now?
That double kind of shot gonna keep you warm.
Man, I'm trying to stay warm.
Like
Yeah,
head warmers.
I'm trying to stay warm,
Come
man.
on, you gotta cheers, bro. You gotta cheers.
Let me cheers one time. Man, god damn. What he fin? Oh, no, I ain't trying to finish all mine at one time. Huh?
It's like a shot and a half.
I know, but I want to do mine at one at a
Take a
time.
big shot though. You gotta take a big shot.
Okay, big shot coming up.
Kill that motherfucker.
Man, come on, bro.
It's almost gone. It's almost gone.
Yeah.
One more shot,
I seen the biggest
Hey,
shot.
You took 3 last time.
I think.
Woo! That
you gave me
bitch.
the wrong
Ooh,
team
Mexican
last
after
time,
the
bro.
next one.
Man, let me holler and feel this shit I got first.
Hey, I was gonna go down free one.
Hey, y'all want to eat? Let me in. Shit. Damn it, boy.
It's 2 karat gold, bro.
Man, I'm finna hit that bitch again, though. It is good. There go murder right there in front of me. He's your #1 fan. Oh, I got 44 likes, man. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, Flying Low gonna be able to get him. Ooh, I do like the way. Hey, I do like the way that Bucana be feeling when it get in your stomach.
Right.
Yeah, it do warm it up. It warm it up.
Hey, that'll fuck you up.
It will. Last time I was good, everything be good. This ain't
cheating
shit.
on your bitch.
Oh, it make you cheat?
He took like
Ooh,
four
shit.
shots last time.
Hey, you fuck around be fucking some fat hoes on that.
Oh, yeah?
So what? Hell no.
Some fat- Oh, that made you
That's
fuck
why
a...
I don't drink it, bro.
Oh, it made him fuck a fat hoe
Yeah.
one time, man. How big was she? About what? 250?
Shit,
Hey,
hey,
don't
that
point
bitch
at
was
me, I know
heavyweight.
200?
Hey, that hoe heavyweight. No cap.
Heavyweight? Past 200?
That bitch was hitting
You had a
hard.
350?
Coming hard. Hey.
Did you have a 350 or a
about
305?
That bitch was a big
had a
block.
big-
Hey.
yeah.
Oh, you had a big block? Oh, God damn. Well, you were bold, man.
He had a 572 in that bitch.
Oh, you had the tune? Yeah. Wait a minute, you ready? Come on.
Yeah, he had the tune that bitch.
Hey, his bitch had it, the whole package. Header, cold air intake, tune.
He said she had no cats.
Ah!
Hey, big fat tires in the back. You know you gotta have
Golly, boy, that thing right here.
With the French at least.
That burn is that bucana eating your stomach lining. Oh, man. Is it eating? Somebody said it's eating my stomach lining. God damn. You made it sound so bad. It didn't sound bad enough to make me stop this time. Yeah, the way you make it sound, I ain't gonna have a stomach when I finish this shit. And that ain't true, that ain't true, that ain't true. I'ma let grandma make a shakedown in the Caprice. Probably tomorrow, y'all, so y'all can be ready for the video coming soon. Grandma in a supercharged.
Hey, look out, let me get a peasy, bro.
Huh? I gotta get. It's in the car. Dang, why I forget to bring them out.
A little bit, please,
Okay,
bro.
big.
How much?
Oh, they be going for the dub, but y'all 15, man.
Nah, I got you for the dub, just but for sure though.
15. Damn, boy, this motherfucker. That bucana. God damn. Yeah, grandma. I was up, man. I had a dream. Well, my thought was. I was gonna let grandma do a burnout in it, but hell, I can't even do one in it, so I know she can't. Huh?
Let's get 2 for the 30.
Bet.
What color was you got? Black?
I got black and pink.
I just want
I'll
black.
get a black one.
All right, bet.
Yeah, I got rattling. That tends to be gonna take you.
Now I ain't gonna make another
You
pair.
ain't got no tire either? Oh, yeah.
It ain't ready. It need a tune, man. I ain't worried about making another pass. I know it ain't right. Woo! Boy, that goddamn bucanas be hitting. Every time you tap that bit. God.